Have you ever wondered why some of us have curly hair or straight hair, blonde or red hair? Why some of us are taller or shorter? It's all because of something in our body called DNA, which is like the instruction manual on how to make us. And today we're going to make a DNA model that's so good, you could eat it.
Jocelyn! Jocelyn!
DNA is so tiny that we can't see it with our eyes. So we're going to make a model using candy. So this is what DNA actually looks like. If we untwist it, it kind of looks like a ladder with a backbone and rungs in the middle. So let's start by making the rungs, which is the part in the middle. In DNA, these are called the nucleic acids, and there's 4 different kinds. There's adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. An interesting thing about DNA is that the pairs always match. In this case, yellow will always go with red, and green will always go with orange. So if we line up one side of the ladder, then we can guess what the other side is. Green always matches with orange, which means orange always matches with green, and red matches with yellow. So these are now the rungs, or the nucleic acids of our DNA model, and we're going to connect them with toothpicks. Now you should get a grown-up to help you because toothpicks can be a little bit sharp, so be careful. And now for the backbone of the ladder, we're going to use 2 Twizzlers. Now for it to look like DNA, we have to take the ladder and we have to twist it. DNA takes on this double helix shape because of how the molecules come together and interact. Now remember, DNA is actually tiny. We can't see it with our eyes. It's sort of squeezed into our cells. But if we took out all of the DNA in our cells and stretched it out, we would be able to get to Pluto and back multiple times. That's a lot of DNA. Every living thing has DNA. Like, did you know that humans are 60% similar to banana trees, 75% similar to chickens, and 98% similar to chimpanzees? What's even more incredible is that humans are 99.9% similar to each other. Like you and me, we're 99.9% similar, which makes you think, even though we all look different and have wonderful, unique qualities about us, we're a lot more similar than different. Thanks for stopping by, scientists. I hope you enjoyed learning about DNA today. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more science together. See you next time.